Guys, your single leg hinge planes. All right, you're gonna be standing on one leg. You're just working on stability on one leg, but now you're gonna incorporate the hinge motion. All right, so you're gripping the ground, working on stability here. You're going to go with your arms into a plane stance, hinge on one leg, keep a soft knee, extend the back leg, come to a good position with your hinge, and then come up. All right, plane arms out, use your hips, balance, extend the back leg,